there is a limitation in a class that we can ask, we can ask one time or two time from a teacher or a friend, but there are no limitations in online classes, as we can repeat it and adjust it according to our will.
Talking about online studies, there are so many barriers. You need proper device,
That's a
like
positive point of offline class. If you have a doubt, you can go to your sir. He can clear your doubt. But if you are studying in online classes and your class is over, you had a doubt, what you can do? You can only see that the recorded class. No, no, no. I'm not talking about. You can see only the recording class, the same explanation which you didn't get. You're gonna watch.
As you all know this thing that we all have gathered here to discuss a topic, and that is very important topic in today's era, and that is online study versus offline study. Just after corona, people have got one more mode of studying, and that is online. So there are many people they prefer online study, there are many people they prefer offline study. So I expect that each of you people will put their opinion that which study mode is better, online or offline. I believe you people have experienced just after corona, you must have studied online as well or offline as well. So please put your opinion which study is better. Are you ready for that?
A very scintillating morning to one and all present here. As we all know that we are having group discussion on online studies versus offline studies. So as you are all collecting your points, I would like to initiate. In my opinion, online studies are better, because as you all know that COVID times have superseded the online studies. So online studies are a bit more affordable, and we can adjust our time according to our daily schedule. So I think that online studies are better than offline studies.
hi, my name is Aishwarya Mathur. I think offline study is definitely better than online studies because first of all, it creates a schedule for you for the whole day. You do your work accordingly. Secondly, in online studies, I feel it makes you lethargic, and offline study keeps you energetic for the whole day.
Myself, Dr. Manish Chaudhary, and I agree with online study are better than offline study because online study allow student to attend the classes from any location for their choice, and it's not restricted by any geographical boundaries. And online study also can be recorded for further use.
My name is Prinsika, and I believe that offline studies is way better than online studies because offline studies will lower your distraction through internet, and the one negative point that I see in online studies, the main negative point is backlog. Once you gain the backlog, then it's basically so hard to cope up with every your syllabus and everything. So I believe offline studies is better than online studies.
A very good morning to everyone. It's me. It's Ringu Kumari. We all know that everything has pros and cons. But if I talk about my scenarios, then I prefer to online study rather than offline study. Online study is rather good than offline study. So my first point is saving money. It's saving money. We don't need to travel, and we don't need to waste your money in transportation. And my second point is it's also time management, and my third point is it's a repeated access to course materials.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Syed Khan. I'm favor of offline because of in our country, 52 students do not have any online resources like mobile network and mobile laptops, keyboard. How can they study in online? And my second point is there are many practical subjects like biology, physics, chemistry, drawings. We cannot learn in online.
Well, gentlemen, my name is Shyam Singh Rajawat, and in my opinion, online classes are better than offline studies because, first of all, in my opinion, be disciplined, and if anyone is disciplined, he can attend all the classes online. And the other point is the time, the more important. The two things, in my opinion, are very important in a social life, in a student life, in a teaching life, in everyone. So, first is discipline. If anyone can attend online classes regularly, it means it's a very disciplined person. So, and in 70% time, you can save your time more. online classes you can attend. If you lose any classes on offline, then you can attend online at any time, at everywhere. So in my opinion, these two points are very important.
My name is Ravindra, and I am in the favor of offline studies because when you go any school, any coaching, you become confident and courage by the lots of competition are there, like speech competition, debate competitions are there, and you become your communication skills are also increased by talking with everyone. And you become socialized because you make new friends and you talk with them, and because of that your communication is increased. And my second point is this: disease like depression and anxiety will also decreases by making new friends, by talking with them, and attend classes, and your active your mind is active while you study in offline your coaching, or lots of examples are there.
Hello everyone, it's me Suman Chaudhary, and I would like to support offline classes. And if we talk about offline classes, it is better than the online classes. Uh, we talk about interaction. In the offline classes, student will be able to interact with their friends and teacher also. And if we talk about extracurricular activities, in the online classes, it is limited, but in the offline classes you can participate in many activities.
As one of my friend pointed out that it also backlogged our studies. So I would like to know you that we can revise as much as times we want to in online studies. We can repeat, we can adjust its speed. It also saves our time. 1 hour of video we can watch it on 2x, so it will save our time. Other and there is a limitation in a class that we can ask, like we can ask 1 time or 2 time from a teacher or a friend, but there are no limitations in online classes, as we can repeat it and adjust it according to our will.
From any coaching you take that online courses, and at the same coaching you also take when you take offline, then they provide you notes and you also revise that notes.
You can provide
Yeah,
it's
then how can it that you tell them that okay, my counterpoint is that you tell that you can watch it in speed, and then what will you understand by the speeding?
it's according to my brain power, that how in
Only
what
for
speed.
your brain, no?
Not
Not
everyone
no?
has different brain power. Everyone
Lots
has,
of people are
you can
slow,
watch it
no?
on 1 point, it's a you can watch it on slow
But,
0.25x.
instead of that you also revise notes. There
I-
are notes.
Yes, I can revise notes, but as a teacher teaches us, we cannot learn it on by revising our notes. We
No,
can
but-
only learn and read our
But
notes.
teacher also understood that. I mean,
Teacher can
understand-
only teach only 1 time. It will not repeat the whole class only for me or only for a single
But
child.
you are active in your class, then
You
there
can
is no
also-
need of online.
I believe if you're talking about doubt solving, seeing a video for multiple times, I don't think is going to solve a problem. Definitely, a personal interaction with teacher, which is in offline studies, will give more solving on a particular doubt.
Nowadays there are many apps which solve our doubts instantly. First of all, we can't go to teacher at 12 a.m. and say that please solve my doubt, but I can post my doubt on an app and it will solve me immediately, and in 10 different ways. My teacher will not teach me the solution in 10 different ways. So I believe that is more feasible to me, that if I am burning midnight oil and I want a solution of any mathematics or physics question, I can post it on app at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. on whichever time I want.
The thing you're saying, I had tried it. The posting your question on the sites which you're saying, it doesn't help. They will tell you the 10 different ways, but you still don't know the theory behind it. There's not a teacher to tell you, to make you understand. The first thing is you're not understanding the question. That's why you posted it. The second thing is, it doesn't matter if it give you 10 ways or 15 ways or 20 ways, until and unless you don't know the basic, until and unless there is not a teacher to make you learn the basic, you can't solve even a single way of anyone from the 10.
But they also give the
solutions.
explanation, no?
They don't give the explanation. It's written on there. You don't have a live person standing in front of you explaining the.
Please try Doubtnut app. It's a live app. We can.
Many online coaching started Zoom meetings, like, and then we interact to teacher on live classes
live
also.
doubt solving sessions?
I think if you're talking about online studies, there are so many barriers. You need proper device, purchase an online course, and I don't had laptop for it. And when I opened it on my mobile phone, they said no, you need a laptop for it. Okay, so if you're talking about you mentioned the point of affordability. Okay, so if you're talking about affordability for online studies, we need proper device, proper internet connection, proper place to sit, because we can't sit on bed or anywhere else. We need proper chair. If you're even sitting on a resting chair, you will feel tired in some time. So I think it's not about affordability. It's more costly on we talk about online.
Because fees of online coaching are more affordable than offline coach
No,
classes.
no, it's just
Because-
10,000 and
because it-
15,000 difference.
10,000
No,
is a large amount for a middle class
Okay,
people.
but one of my friend says that the transport system or like
Yeah.
that, but how it is that not affordable? It's only just 10 rupees.
That
For
laptops
women-
are not affordable. Okay, so I think then a person who can't afford laptops is from a poor family. So there are government schemes who provide laptops, mobile, and even internet connection to the poor people. And
for
if
the
you are
10th, 12th people, not for the coaching peoples. That is
so,
schemes for 12th.
please
or
study in
10th.
your 10th, 12th, and get
Yeah,
the
only
laptop
for
and use
government-
it in
only
the
for
college.
government schools, not for private schools.
So
Lots of people,
a student
study-
who is studying in private school, he can afford laptop if he is affording a private school fees.
No,
then he
there are a
can-
lot of private schools who take only
who take fees less than the government schools.
no, not less than government schools, but not more than that. Not make many
If
difference.
you are that much, you can't afford laptops, internet, then you should go to the government schools. They will provide you if you
But
will study.
in government schools there are no studies.
There are studies. My mother is a teacher. I know that how hard she
Only
works.
teachers are there, but
So teachers also.
70% people are reside in village. Everywhere are no transportation. Everywhere is not internet connection. I accept, but everywhere
nowadays
not
there are
also
everywhere-
everywhere not also transportation. Everywhere not also any costly coachings. You know what? We are living in villages. We can attend classes from direct Delhi. We can direct classes attend from Jaipur. Anywhere we want to attend classes, we can attend. And the more thing you want to interact people, you said you want to. If you go to offline coaching, you interact with people. You interact with your teachers. Gentlemen, when you reading on online classes, you also interact with teachers. You also interact with
you
students.
distract yourself. Your mind will distract while you studying online. Your mind,
Why you contains mobile phone? Why you contains mobile phone? If you said
Not
you
for
don't
online
control,
studies.
you don't control on yourself, then
How
why
will
you study?
How will you crack any exam which you are preparing
If-
for if you don't have
If
that
you
kind
don't
of
control
strategy?
have on yourself,
I
then
believe
how
when
you
it
control
comes
on
to
yourself?
online studies, there are enormous number of students present in Zoom meeting, or you can say in online studies. They provide either recorded lectures
Yes.
or even if it's Zoom meeting, there are so many students there. When it comes to personal class, like offline classes, there are particular batches.
There are also many students. It's a batch like 1,000 student, 500, 1,500 student in a batch, particular batch. And classes running from, if you went, then you waste your time, waste your money, lots of money. Everyone can't afford offline coaching. We can't go to Delhi. Everyone can't go to, as I said, 70% people are reside in India. They can't,
But nowadays,
villages, they can't afford.
every district have all the coachings.
Please,
No.
Yes, in
every
like that-
district have coaching.
We don't have, my village don't have any coaching. My
Not
district,
about village, district.
my district don't.
How far
It's
your
not
village
about.
is
It's not
from your
about you.
district?
It's not about your village, your town. It's not about your city. It's about all the country. It's all about all the states. Everywhere is not a many costly coaching. Is everywhere not a facility to transportation. So we can go. We can attend the classes.
Okay,
That's
okay.
why.
There is many government hostels, Camkhani hotels, ashram also there. You can live there.
And what you say that government schools don't teach.
School
I
is
also
different. Your
doesn't-
hostel is different.
You have
Yeah.
pointed out before that government schools are
Government
not teaching
schools are
well.
not teaching well.
Yeah.
I am a government school teacher.
You talked
Okay.
about
Students,
the students
sorry.
in village. You talked about the students in village. Many of the village still don't have the facilities of light. How they're gonna get the facilities of internet and laptop connection?
Still, there are
So
schemes.
they don't have so much money. They can afford offline coaching. So it's better.
then they afford-
Comparatively,
they
it's
can afford
better.
that online
Comparatively, it's better.
No,
Comparatively,
they
it's
can,
better.
They can achieve that online.
I
Sorry,
believe-
they can afford that online coaching.
Yeah, we
So
afford. We studied.
there is no
we
difference between that. Okay,
40 to 50,
not
40 to
any
50,000 coaching
5,000
money we attended 4 to 5,000. 40 to 50,000 money the fees of coaching we attend 4 to 5,000.
I believe
and we
when
attend
it
the
comes
classes.
You provide just 4,500. Okay, sorry.
I believe when it comes to studies, studies shouldn't be sacrificed on the basis of affordability. I mean, I understand that people can't afford much, but when it comes to studies, I believe in online studies, people don't, as you said, if you're disciplined, there's always an if and but.
If you are not disciplined, you can't go to offline coaching. Offline coaching.
No, but your parents will send you, and anyhow, parents will send you.
If you study online, you also at home. There, your parents also there.
No, but I feel some students don't seriously study when it comes
Even
to
in
online
offline
study.
classes, also some students are not seriously.
If they're not serious about study, they will not. But as he said, if you're disciplined, I believe if you're coming to you have this class, any class, you have to be disciplined. As there's rule in our class that you can't speak in between. When it comes to online studies, nobody know if you're speaking in between or you're not speaking in between.
No, then just mute your mic, off your camera, and can just I said that no, not about the sleep. The internet connection, you have the internet connection, you're gonna get distracted.
How we get distracted if we are
So
that
many
serious
students
about our
have taken
goal?
online classes in COVID. So many students, they just close their screen, they just mark their attendance. The class screen is running beside them, and they playing PUBG and kind
This
of
also
games.
happens in offline classes. People come to college in coachings or college, they just get the attendance and they just bunk the college or coaching. It also happens in the offline classes. But at least in
There
online
are
classes,
teacher for the there are teachers for them to for
no one
personal
will
monitoring.
no one will give you that much of attention after you pass your 12th. No one will give you a personal attention, and you are saying that in home we are studying in front of our parents, that they will
Not
continuously
everybody
look.
studies in front of their parents. They just close their door. Their parents are thinking this, that their ward is studying.
But there are a lot of coachings. They have the system of iCard. When they enter in the coaching, their attendance they scan the card and your attendance. And but you, if they have to go outside the coaching, they
Have
first
to punch that card. Okay.
no, not punch that card. First, they have to call their parents and talk with the teacher, and after that,
Do we have these facilities in this BBI?
not BBI. There are a lot of
These
coaching
kind of
expensive.
facilities.
Yes.
These schools are many expensive.
These are many expensive.
No, there are
What
lots
kind of
coachings.
Please name one of them.
Springboard are there.
Springboard is very expensive.
Online course is also very expensive as
It's
comparison.
30 to 40,000 lesser than the offline classes.
No,
Yeah,
maybe
you're
it's
talking
one.
about recorded classes, right?
Even the live classes are 20,000 cheaper than
I
the
don't think
offline.
live classes are that much cheaper, but I believe recorded classes are definitely cheaper.
It's about the affordability. 10 to 20,000 is a very large amount for a middle class people. Some people have the whole month
If
salary.
they can spend 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 wouldn't be a big difference for
As far
them.
as some people sell their land for their child's education, the 40,000, 60,000 they have collected, it's their whole life earned money. So even 5,000 is the large amount for some people.
When I was prepared my NEET preparation, then I paid 1,10,000 rupees, and nowadays only 5,000 rupees student can prepare
Yes, on online.
on online.
But there are a lot of coachings.
Which coaching are you
They
talking
only they gave us
I
40
haven't
in
go
they
fixed
co-
wala
their
and
courses
an academy.
in
Yes,
4,500 and 5,000.
Physics wala also give 4,000.
Online or offline?
Online.
Offline.
4,000. You have gone there?
Yes, yeah, I'm searching. And
Not
yes,
searching
there
Google. There
there
are
is a discount offer for the poor people.
for the poor people. So
They don't have money.
So there has a schemes for the poor people. There is
For
also
offline, no? Not for
offline.
also
Online
give you-
also there is schemes for the
there are
poor
lot of
people.
Government-
They have
government also
scholarship
give you-
exams.
Government also give you free coaching classes. Then you apply them.
Scholarship exams
Yeah,
are there.
Yes.
So I'm
You will
also
not find scholarship exams in online.
Arey,
classes.
there is scholarship exams for even for online classes.
Not most of them have the.
Yes.
I have
exams.
given the scholarship
I'm
exam,
saying
and even
that
I
not
have got the
most
discount.
of them had the scholarship exams in online.
And
classes.
most of the college coachings didn't have the scholarship.
They have
They have
scholarship.
every-
they-
Not
every
every
year
coaching
they
have
have
the
the
scholarship
scholarship
exam. Not every coaching have the scholarship exam. Did you give scholarship exam in this BBI? This is also
This
coaching.
is-
It's a coaching for learning English.
If we talk about recorded classes, most of the coachings are allowed the recorded classes. We can watch them twice or thrice time.
It's
If we
it's
have
a
some
positive
doubt,
point.
then
It's
how
a
can
positive
we-
point. It's a positive point of online classes, not for offline classes. If you don't attend the offline classes, then
We
it's
can
you.
go to teacher and ask them our doubt.
He
will
will
take
not
note.
repeat the whole class as it is, as he taught the class when it's live.
They clear
But
our doubts.
He will clear your doubt. You ask
He
him
will
one time,
just
two
clear
time,
your
10
doubt.
times.
The whole 3-hour classes, he will just summarize. He will summarize it in only 5 to 10 minutes. He will not give you the whole 3 hours just for a single student.
We are not asking to give us the whole 3 hours. If you don't understand
But
a
I want-
topic, you can go and ask him, and he'll
I'm kind of a person like who write the smallest thing which sir taught in the class.
You know, that's a positive point of offline class. If you have a doubt, you can go to your sir. He can clear your doubt. But if you are studying in online classes and your class is over, you had a doubt, what you can do? You can only see that the recorded class. No. I'm not talking about. You can see only the recording class, the same explanation which you didn't get. You're gonna watch it again, same explanation which you didn't get. How you gonna
In
get
live
it
class,
in
there is a
second time?
function of raising hand. We have
Doubt
to.
session also in
And in
online
offline
classes,
class,
also
and in
doubt
recording
session. You
classes,
can clear the all doubt in the doubt session.
and in recording
Not
classes.
only
Same
not
thing
only
will happen in
classes,
offline
but also
classes. You
online
can
classes.
ask your teachers for the doubts. They'll clear it to you.
Offline classes also
And
teacher
not
and in
just
online
teachers,
classes also
even
teacher.
your-
Not a robot.
Even your fellow students
in
will
your
clear it
even
for
your
you.
friend, and that's the best way of questioning the
In
doubts.
online classes, there was not a robot who were teaching you. Here is also
I'm not
a
talking about teacher, I'm talking about the fellow
He is
students.
also a teacher. He is also a teacher. If he anywhere he is studying in offline classes, the same way, in the same manner, he is teaching to online classes. And how you say that we can't clear our doubt in online classes? Here is a doubt session. Here is a group where we discuss, where we clear our doubt in online classes also.
Not every coaching provides that. My coaching
You
does
can
not
ask
provide
Then
Yeah,
it's
that.
not
yeah,
about
Instagram,
individual
yeah.
coaching. It's not about individual city. It's not about individual coaching. It's a whole about our country. And you know, we 70% people are. Many times I say 70% people are living in village. They can't afford offline classes, and they can't go everywhere.
They can
can't
afford
go,
devices and
It's
internet
cheaper.
connection.
It's cheaper than
It's
your
not
offline
cheaper.
classes.
Cheaper
How
in
is
the
it cheaper?
accommodation cost. It's
I have
cheaper than the
6,000
travel
I attend all
cost.
the classes.
The
I have 6,000 money phone, and I have attended all the classes.
Everybody has attended online and offline both the
6,000 is
classes.
more cheaper than your 1.5 lakh.
It's cheaper, okay. I understand your point. It is cheaper. But when it comes to studies, when it comes to the basic
Communication.
If you
points,
can't study online, what's the guarantee you will study on offline classes?
there is definitely guarantee.
All the
A person
all the
interaction.
guys,
Monitoring by teachers.
Yeah.
You can't talk in front of teachers.
Yeah,
But
you
if
all
you're
the
in an
guys-
online class, you can just pause your mic. You can just stop the
And you can
camera.
even split the screen.
yeah, you all the guys are depends
Use
on your
WhatsApp
family.
in one
In
side.
online-
You all the guys are depends on your
No, no,
family.
in online class,
It's
you-
not only you.
if you
If you are
take-
not depend on you only, you can't clear any examinations.
No. If
Yeah.
in online class,
Yeah.
if you didn't take classes for 2-3 days, that doesn't matter. But in your offline class, if you didn't take any, if you miss your 1 class, 2 class, they call your parents that your child is not coming.
In online class,
Not repeated in these classes.
in online class,
But
there is
if we
also.
tell to the sir that please make us understand that earlier classes, they can understand.
My friend, you are totally depend on your family. You are totally depends on your teacher. You not only depends on yourself. What's guarantee your teacher clear your examination?
We are not earning. If you are earning, then
if you attend 1.5 month classes regularly, you know, sir said that only 5%. His role is only 5% role. 95% is yourself.
Yeah, so
You
if
are
you
totally
yourself,
you
it
are totally
creates a
depend on your
schedule.
family
If
and
you're-
your teachers.
If you're coming to BBI, it creates a schedule for you. You have to wake up by 7:30 or 8.
In online classes, you have to make your timetable. You have to manage your time.
And for
In
the-
offline
Yeah,
also,
you
there are
yourself
lot of
have to
times
do
when
all
there
these
are-
things.
How can
Live
you
class.
You yourself have to do all these
And
things.
for
You
the-
have to select the
Like
time and
COVID
everything.
pandemic, how
Yeah.
how start?
You said it
I'll
depends
start
on
my-
ourselves if we have
Yes,
to study
even
or
if-
not. Then what's the meaning of a teacher in both online and offline
Arey, if
classes?
it's
That
in
we are learning
offline
from
classes,
them.
there are students who bunk their classes. In a college, there are only 2 to 3 benches who are full of students. Otherwise, all the students are bunking
If
their
there's
class.
a 60 class, if there's a 60 student in class, only max to max 10 can bunk. The teacher will recognize. He will call for their parents,
Sometimes
he
there
will
is a
call
mass
for the
bunk. They
students.
just all students.
No, it does
But
not
in
happen
online
in
class,
my.
in online class, you don't.
But
teacher
nowadays
don't
there are the
even know
system
that
of
if-
75% attendance.
Huh.
It's India. Everything can happen
tell
in
you, in
India.
my
You have to
coaching,
pay the
it
money
used to
for
happen.
attendance.
Strict rules in
There was a
every college
WhatsApp group.
nowadays.
You have to inform before.
It's
But
a
there are
online
many
system.
students who
Not
also
your
failed in
And my
offline
mother
classes.
and everybody's
Online
parents was
classes
also
would be-
on that WhatsApp group. You have to inform.
Not parents are in the students'
in my
WhatsApp group.
coaching,
There are
there
lot of
was.
parents.
There was.
There
Then
a
it's about
system.
your individual coaching, not
Yeah, it
every
was about
coaching.
and that
not
that is
every
what I'm
coaching
talking
has
about.
the parents.
Most of the coaching coaching has this kind of system.
I will
And
say
the
what
people
I've
who are
been
juggling
through,
between
previously
their
what
jobs
she's
and
been through.
academics, this is a boon for them, that they can
Leave it now.